Good afternoon everyone. How are you today? Are you fine? Very good. Today I will teach you parts of body. Okay? Let us start with our parts of body. This is our body and we have many parts in our body. Okay? First we start with our head. Okay? What is this? Our head. This is our head. Say with me, head. This is our head. Okay. Look in the picture. This is our head. Okay. Touch your head. Touch your head like this. Yes. This is my head. I can do my head side and side. Okay. Touch your head. Head. Repeat along with me, head, head. This is my head. Repeat after me, head. This is my head. Okay. Next, eyes. What is this? Eyes. What is this? Eyes. What is this? Eyes. Touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Yes. How many eyes do you have? 2. How many eyes do you have? 2. 1, 2. Okay. How many eyes do you have? 2. 1, 2. Look in the picture. Eyes. What is this? Eyes. Repeat after me. Eyes. I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. I have 2 eyes. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many eyes do you have? 2. How many eyes do you have? 2. 1, 2. Touch your eyes, all of you. Yes, very good. Now after that, ears. What is this? Ears. I hear with my ears. How many ears do you have? 2. How many ears do you have? 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many ears do you have? 2. 1, 2. I hear with my ears. Okay. Repeat after me. Ears. Repeat after me. Ears. Head. Eyes. Ears. Okay. After that, nose. Nose. Repeat after me. Nose. This is my nose. This is my nose. How many nose do you have? 1. How many nose do you have? 1. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. Touch your nose, all of you. Touch your nose, all of you. Nose. This is my nose. Okay. Then after, look in the picture. Nose. What is this? Nose. Now next. Mouth. This is my mouth. Mouth. This is my mouth. Repeat after me. Mouth. Repeat after me. Mouth. This is my mouth. Okay. After mouth, teeth. What is this? Teeth. This is my teeth. Okay. What is the color of teeth? White. What is the color of teeth? White. Look here. Teeth. What is the color of teeth? White. What is the color of teeth? White. Okay. What to do? This is my teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day. Okay. You brush your teeth twice a day. Okay. Then next. Tongue. Tongue. This is my tongue. tongue. This is my tongue. I taste with my tongue. Okay. Repeat after me. Head, eyes, ear, nose, teeth, tongue. Okay. Okay. Okay, next. Neck. This is my neck. What is this? Neck. This is my neck. This is my neck. Okay. Shoulder. This is my shoulder. Repeat after me. Shoulder. Okay. Repeat after me. Shoulder. Shoulder. Okay. Hands. What is this? Hands. I have 2 hands. How many hands do you have? 1, 2. 1, 2. I have 2 hands. Okay. What is this? Hands. Repeat after me. Hands. I have 2 hands. 1 and 2. I cut with my hands. I can write with my hands. Okay. After that, fingers. What is this? Fingers. What is this? Fingers. Repeat after me. Fingers. Fingers. This is my fingers. How many fingers do you have? 10. How many fingers do you have? 10. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do you have? 10. We have 10 fingers. Okay. After that, stomach. What is this? Stomach. Stomach. Repeat after me. Stomach. Okay. Then after that, leg. What is this? Leg. This is my leg. How many legs do you have? 2. How many legs do you have? 2. 1, 2. How many legs do you have? 2. Okay. What do you do with your legs? I walk with my legs. I jump with my legs. Okay. Now I will draw some picture and ask you the name of the body parts. Okay. Tell me, what is this? What is this? Eyes. What is this? Eyes. Okay. Which picture is this? Eyes. Which picture is this? Nose. Which picture is this? Nose. Nose. Which picture is this? Nose. Very good. Okay, next picture. Tell me, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Hands. Which picture is this? Hands. Okay, how many hands do you have? 2. How many hands do you have? 2. Very good. Okay, tell me, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Tongue. Tongue. This is tongue. Okay, what do you do with your tongue? We taste with our tongue. Very good. Now tell me, which picture is this? Leg. Which picture is this? Legs. Which picture is this? Legs. Okay. Now, tell me which picture is this? Which picture is this? Ears. Very good. Ears. Which picture is this? Ears. Very good. Now let us repeat one more time all the parts of body. Okay, name of the all parts of the body. Head. Head. This is my head. Head. Okay, after head, eyes. This is my eyes. I have two eyes. I have two eyes. Okay, after that, nose. Nose. I have one nose. After that, tongue. Tongue. I taste with my tongue. Teeth. This is my teeth. Okay. Mouth. This is my mouth. What is this? Mouth. Very good. Hands. Hands. I have two hands. Neck. This is my neck. This is my neck. Fingers. This is my fingers. I have 10 fingers. How many fingers you have? 10 fingers. Leg. This is my leg. I have 2 legs. How many legs you have? 2. Okay. And toes. This is toes. Face. What is this? Face. Lips. What is this? Lips. Eyebrow. What is this? Eyebrow. What is this? Eyebrow. Arms. What is this? Arms. Look here. What is this? Arms. Very good. Very good, children. Do you learn the name of the parts of body? Okay. Let us sing one song. Okay. Are you ready to sing a song? Yes. Stand up, all of you, and repeat after me. Okay. Head and shoulder, knees and toes. Head and shoulder, knees and toes are my body parts. Head and shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes, knees and toes are my body parts. Eyes, ear, nose and mouth. Eyes, ears, nose and mouth are my body part. Eyes, ear, nose and mouth. Eyes, ear, nose and mouth are my body parts. Okay. At home, repeat your name of the body parts. Okay, which I have teach you today. Okay. Thank you.